Hi, hello, this is Deepika from Cadness. So let us see what is management and what are the roles of an human resource management. So this video is all about management and also about human resource management. So let us see basically the meaning of management. So management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. So there will for example, for an organization without management, it doesn't goes in a coordination manner. So for administration work and also for the coordination, we need management for achieving a specified definite goal. Such administration activities includes setting the organization strategies and coordinating the efforts of staff to accomplish these objectives through the application of available resources and also with the skills of the employees and also this art of the management. So next, what is the role of a management? So management has several roles in a company, but their 6 main goals includes planning, organizing, staffing, leading, motivating and controlling. So basically it is also called as post GROPS: planning, organizing, staffing, controlling, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. It all combines of a role of a management. So planning management is responsible for defining the objectives of the company for each financial or operational period of the year. So management is the main basic thing wherein it has to do all the roles and also plan for the year related to the budget as well. So next, what is human resource management and why we are going to see. So human resource management refers to the management of all decisions within an organization that are related to people. So it concentrates on making the most of the human resource that are at the disposal of the organization and enhances the performance of employees to achieve the organizational objectives. And I include, it also helps the human resource people to achieve even their own objectives. So both will grow. The people will grow in the organization as well as the company also will grow along with the people. So they're both, for the coordination we need human resource management. Then what are the 7 functions of human resource? So functions goes like recruitment and selection, performance management, learning and development, succession planning, compensation and benefits, human resource information system, HR data and analytics. So these are several functions of the human resource, but still there are many functions: recruitment, selection, training, employment appraisal, and then skill training, ability checking. So everything related to people, what and all should go on, it should go under human resource department itself. So next, why is HRM important? Why we need human resource management in the organization? It is very important function in every organization. Without human resource management, company would not be able to effectively recruit and retain employees. So recruiting, managing, retaining the employees for a long time, it all depends on the management skills. Okay, so improve and enhance the organization, and they would not be able to maintain a healthy, accepting workplace culture and environment. So without having a human resource management, these and all is not at all possible. So what type of person works in HR? So why we need HR base? What type of a person should a HR be? So HR assistants often move in a professional level roles such as recruiting manager, payroll manager, staffing manager, administrator or human resource manager. Most HR professionals choose between two broad paths, that is generalist or specialist. Generalist are human resource works in a perform a wide variety of tasks. Specialist will work only on, if a specialist HR is on payroll manager, so he will work only on the payroll, pay slips, that such things. If a specialist human resource is on HR recruitment, they work only on the recruitment. So there are broadly 2 classification, that is generalist or specialist. So role of a HR manager, what is the role actually? The human resource specialists are responsible for recruiting, screening, interviewing and placing workers. They may also handle employee relations, payroll, benefits and training of the employees. They oversee specialists in their duties, consult with executives on strategic planning and link a company's management with its employees. So manager role is very complicated, and also they should make it very simple and work with the people in the organization. So the roles goes like payroll, benefits, employee relationship and also retaining the employees, recruiting, everything is on the HR manager's role. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope learned you something on the management. So do subscribe our CADNEST YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification. Thank you.